Today's class will discuss about aniline, that is aromatic amine. So the first thing that we are going to see is preparation from nitrobenzene, preparation of aniline from nitrobenzene. Nitro compounds are reduced by reducing agent like hydrogen gas in the presence of nickel, palladium or platinum. This reaction we have seen in the previous preparation of amines. We have seen this reaction. Okay, so for aniline we can prepare from nitrobenzene by reducing agent. Okay, this is one preparation that we need to see for aniline. Okay, next we need to see the chemical reactions of aniline. The first reaction is reaction with HCl and sulfuric acid. So what happens when aniline reacts with HCl and sulfuric acid? So since we know that aniline is a base, when it reacts with the acid, it is going to form a salt. So aniline plus HCl is going to form this H will taken by this lone pair of electron, and it will form NH3 plus Cl minus, which is known as anilinium chloride. Similarly, if aniline mates to react with sulfuric acid, it is going to form phenyl ammonium sulfate. Phenyl ammonium sulfate. Okay, now this also a salt, this is also a salt. Next reaction, the second reaction we have for aniline is alkylation and acylation. Alkylation means when aniline reacts with methyl chloride, alkyl group, that is CH3 group, will get substituted over here. That means in NH2 we have got two hydrogen. One hydrogen will be replaced by this methyl group, and that hydrogen will go with this Cl to form HCl, and it is formed this N-methyl aniline. This is known as alkylation, since there is an addition of alkyl group. Next, acylation. Acylation means substitution of acetal group. So for this we have taken aniline and acetyl chloride. So in this also the same thing. Out of this two hydrogen atom, one hydrogen atom will replace this CaO CH3 group, and that hydrogen will go with Cl to form HCl, so which will form acetanilide. Okay, so this is alkylation and acylation. Next we have got benzolation reaction. In benzolation reaction we take aniline, and instead of acetyl chloride we have got benzoyl chloride, and the reaction is same. Okay, benzoyl chloride, Cl go along with one hydrogen to form HCl, and this whole group will be attached to nitrogen, which is known as benzoanilide. Okay, so alkylation, acylation and benzolation, there are similar kind of reactions. And the reaction number 4 is carbonyl reaction, which we have seen many times. So I request you to write down the chemical equation and definitions for it from our previous notes. Okay, next, fifth reaction we have got diazotization reaction. This is very, very important. What is it? Diazotization reaction. In this, what will happen? We'll take aniline. Aniline is made to react with this sodium nitrite and HCl. By the reaction of these two, a nitrous acid is produced, HNO2 is produced, which will help this aniline to form benzene diazonium chloride, which is an intermediate, and the temperature over here will be taking very, very low temperature, 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so the formation of benzene diazonium chloride by the treatment of aniline with sodium nitrite and HCl is known as diazotization reaction. Next we have got chemical reactions of aniline. So that was the reaction number 5, diazotization. Next we have got electrophilic substitution reaction. In electrophilic substitution reaction, basically we'll focus on 3 types of electrophilic substitution. One is bromination, nitration and sulfonation. Bromination, nitration and sulfonation. Okay, so in bromination, so before that we have to identify what type of group is this. Aniline in benzene, NH2 group. it is an electron donating group. That means if it is electron donating group, then we'll have the substitution at ortho and para position. So when aniline is treated with bromine water, it is going to form 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. That means all the ortho and para positions will be occupied by the bromine atom. This is a white precipitate. This reaction is very, very important. Okay, the reaction of aniline with bromine water. Next we have got nitration. In nitration, in addition to ortho and para product, you'll have a meta product as well. Okay, you'll get ortho product as well as para product. In addition to that, you'll get meta product, and the reason is that this aniline NH2 is a base. When you react with the acid, the H plus will go and form anilinium ion over there, that is NH3 plus. So when it becomes NH3 plus, it acts as a electron withdrawing group. So when it acts as an electron withdrawing group, at that time the electrophile will substitute at meta position. So direct nitration of aniline will give you three products: ortho product, para product, as well as meta product. Okay, and the last type of electrophilic substitution reaction is sulfonation. So when aniline is treated with sulfuric acid, it is going to form para sulfonic acid and ortho sulfonic acid. So in this case, the product is para. The name of this compound, we can name it as this. With respect to this, if you consider this one is sulfonic acid. So with respect to this is para position. So para amino sulfonic acid, commonly known as sulfa-anilic acid. Okay, sulfa-anilic acid. So these are the electrophilic substitution reactions for aniline.